A 1.8 kilometer wide, potentially hazardous asteroid is set to come close to Earth as it passes in its orbit around the Sun. As per reports, the close encounter with Earth is set for the end of this month. The asteroid is currently traveling at a speed of 47,196 kilometers per hour. NASA has classified the object as potentially hazardous despite reports suggesting that the asteroid will move past Earth without any harm. It was discovered in 1989 at the Palomar Observatory and was named 1989 JA. As per reports, it can be seen using a binocular as it comes close to the planet's orbit. The asteroid will come as close as 40,24,182 kilometers to the planet, which is dangerously close for a flyby by an object. The last time it came this close to Earth was in 1996 when the asteroid swept past the planet from a distance of just over 4 million kilometers. The next time the asteroid is predicted to come close to the Earth after the May 29th flyby will be in September 2029. Reports said that it will make 2 additional flybys in 2055-2062. According to the NASA Joint Propulsion Laboratory, which tracks asteroid movement, an asteroid is classified as a near-Earth object when its distance from our planet is less than 1.3 times the distance from Earth to the Sun when it is around 150 million kilometers. The last such big asteroid to come close to Earth was 138971, which was 1.3 kilometers wide and came as close to Earth as 49,11,298 kilometers on March 4th. Following its close flyby, the object is on its way to the Sun, completing its orbit in just 400 days.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.